In today's video, we're doing the Groovy Swirls Technique. Stick around for the soap cut and see how I was able to create and design this beautiful cold processed soap bar. Hello and good day, I'm Natacia, and in today's video we're doing a Groovy Swirls Technique using these beautiful fall colors. You want to pour your colors on the opposite ends of your soap loaf and in the middle, trying to create these circular shapes. Your soap batter consistency is very important because you want to pour your contrasting colors inside each other, but you want the soap to move the previous soap away. You don't want it to blend, you don't want it to mix, you just want to pour it and watch it push away the other soap. Although this is supposed to be a simple technique, you guys, I did find it to be a little challenging only because I wanted the circles to look a certain way, and everything is so dependent on how much you pour, how you pour, what little you pour, where you pour, when you pour. So each attempt I made came out very different. You definitely want your soap consistency to be between light and medium trays because you do not want the soap to mix, but you also want enough time to pour your soap, to fill up your soap mold. You also want to pour slowly. This is not a type of design technique that you want to pour really fast because you won't get the circle. Now the end result of this soap came out nice, although I wanted more circular patterns in my bar soap. And what do you guys think of these colors? I am floored by how much these colors go well together. This looks absolutely gorgeous and very pleasing to the eye. It's just a calm color palette that I really am glad I picked. So are you guys ready for the soap cut? Hold on to your ocular, orbital, eyeball, iris. All right. Come on. Look at those circular patterns. This one, not so much, but some of the other soaps, oh my goodness, that little semicircular pattern is just beautiful. Look at this design. Look at how the colors play off each other. Now there are some things I'm noticing because I was wiping off some of the surfaces. A lot of that water, the alcohol got on my glove and it's causing indentation in the soap, which I'm not crazy about. So I do apologize for that. I could have let this soap cure for one more day to get a bit harder, but I am pleased with some of these circular patterns, you guys. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Don't any of you go anywhere. I have a second soap loaf cut coming up right after this, and you will be surprised at the design I got for that one. Completely different from this one. Gorgeous indeed. I realize how much you pour does affect what type of circles you get. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the designs on this loaf. Look at that dynamic design. I don't even know how that happened. Look at that zigzag. Incredible. I have had some issues with my titanium dioxide. I'm definitely going to start replacing it. I am done with titanium dioxide because I don't dilute it well, apparently. But look at how beautiful these designs came out. Absolutely gorgeous. Now the difference between the two soap loaves, I would say this particular loaf, the batter was a bit thicker than the other one. But let's go ahead and clean up on aisle 7. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. Natacia has a whole bunch of fingerprints and scrape marks all over the daggone soap because she didn't watch where she put the alcohol. Please hurry. It's time to clean up these bars. I'm actually trying to plane it because I am not crazy about the top layer. And I want to try to get rid of those titanium dioxide spots. But look at how beautiful that looks. We're gonna go in with the stamps. Look at how gorgeous that stamp looks against the soap. The one thing I definitely think, I've been trying to do this side design for a long time. There is one method that works better than the method I used here. Guys, I end up scraping off all of these yellow designs because I just felt like it needs to be more embedded in the soap. But look at that. Look how sometimes stamps elevate your soap. I think that I'm posting this video around Diwali time, so if you celebrate Diwali, have a happy, positive, and prosperous Diwali. Please leave in the comments below if you celebrate it and what colors you're using. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please meet me on the next video. I see you there.